Welcome to our channel. Today we how to protect sensitive data with Google Cloud easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Cloud console. Navigate to the I am an admin section in the left sidebar. Select Identity and Access Management to manage who has access to your data. Create a new role if necessary by clicking Roles and then Create Role. Assign necessary permissions related to sensitive data, ensuring least privilege access. Next, go to Storage and select Cloud Storage. Create a new bucket for your sensitive data. Set the bucket's permissions by clicking on Permissions in the top menu. Add roles to users or service accounts that require access. Enable default object access control to manage how you share data in that bucket. Now, move to Security in the left sidebar. Click on Data Loss Prevention to set up security for sensitive information. Create a new DLP job by selecting Create Job from the DLP dashboard. Configure your DLP job by setting the inspection template for sensitive data types. Run the job to scan your Google Cloud data for vulnerabilities. Next, navigate to Cloud Logging to monitor access to your sensitive data. Set up alerts for unauthorized access attempts. Regularly review your access logs to ensure compliance and security. Finally, periodically retrain your IAM policies and DLP jobs for ongoing protection. This process will help you maintain the confidentiality of your sensitive data on Google Cloud. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.